Hello traders and welcome back. In this video, we are going to be talking about the ICT dealing range. We'll break down how ICT defines a dealing range on the chart, how it is visualized, and what that range means for premium and discount pricing. Now, without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. On a price chart, as you can see, this is GBP USD on the 4-hour. The ICT dealing range is drawn from a defined swing low to a swing high or vice versa, using horizontal lines at each extreme to frame the range that smart money is believed to be operating within. Traders often then divide that range with a 50% midpoint line, splitting it into a discount zone below and a premium zone above, visually showing where price is relatively cheap or expensive within that leg. Once this dealing range is drawn, liquidity pools, fair value gaps, and other blocks are interpreted within that framework. Now, enough with the talk, let's go into the charts. So the dealing range has to do with drawing horizontal lines at each extreme. We have this high, and okay, let me use this trend line to draw. And this is our high, this is our low. This is the dealing range. We have this as the dealing range. And remember, I said that in this dealing range, we have liquidity pools, we have fair value gaps, other blocks, and everything within this framework. And also, we should also mark out the 50%, which is done by drawing our Fibonacci level and using this to mark out the 50%. Now we have that figured out. We have that unlock. The next thing is to also map out your liquidity zones. You can see this right here is liquidity, obviously. So we have an obvious buy side liquidity there, which we're just gonna mark. And we have price pull back deep into this dealing range into the premium to sponsor this sell-off all the way down. So it's quite simple. It's a simple concept. You just have to mark out the top and mark out the bottom of this dealing range, and you wait for price to come back above the 50% or below, vice versa. And looking at this, we have our 50% right here in the middle. So this is the dealing range. We expect price to pull back in above the 50%. We have this pool of buy side liquidity here, which was all taken out. We have the market come back to take it all out, and we have the market mitigate this zone right here. That's a reclaimed order block and sponsor this sell-off all the way to the downside. So it's very simple. Now this ICT dealing range suits traders who want to structure their analysis around a clearly defined price leg instead of isolated candles, helping them judge where price is trading in premium or discount relative to that move. It is an analytical framework that does not execute trades. Different traders may choose different swing framework and different swing points, which can produce slightly different ranges and midpoints. If the chosen range is misanchored or the market shifts into a new leg, sticking too rigidly to an old range can lead to outdated conclusions. So it's a very important that you adapt as price adapts and changes. To learn more about this, the link is in the description below. Ensure you check it out. For complete dealing range and premium discount tutorials, make sure you visit the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you catch future ICT structure videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.